Hi, embarking on my first chicken curry. So what do you need? Cinnamon, clove, cardamom, curry leaf, curry powder, coconut milk, tamarind slice, potato, cherry tomato, chicken wing, 3 onion, Holland onion, garlic, chili padi, chilli, ginger. Optional if you prefer to chop, but I prefer to blend. So I blend chilli, chili padi, ginger, garlic, and big onion. Do not include the Holland onion. It will for later use. Put in cooking oil, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, Holland onions, till it caramelized. It look like this, okay? And then put in the blended ingredients. Stir it well. Put in curry powder. Stir it well again. Put in curry leaf. And then seasoning, salt, and partial of the cherry onion. Then you can put in the chicken. Pour in a bit of water, and then put in potato. Stir it well. Okay. Put in the coconut milk. Stir it well. Tamarind leaf. More tomato. Depends on your preference. Okay, try. If there anything to add, you just add in later, like salt.